Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Play of the Week video. This is for the week ending April 15th, 2018. The stock this week was Qcom. It happened on April 9th, which actually was on a Monday. The strategy was a major resistance, retest and failure pattern. Actually, the strategy was major resistance on the 60-minute chart in a downtrending daily. Entry was based on a retest and failure with an advanced entry inside of that pattern. Management was simple and reward to risk 2.3 to 1. This play was a favorite of mine strategically. It is a play that is probably not as common as you typically see. As I said before, these are not always the biggest money-making play. I think this week is probably triple BY was the best play, but that was kind of a boring gap that I've done a few on. This is a more unique play, one of my favorite types of things when you can find it. So this is Qcom. Here is the daily chart and the hourly chart. The big one is the hourly chart up here. And what we're looking at is on this day right down here, this rally running up was what was shorted. The play was just short up there at that resistance area right off the top. Now this play was an exception for one reason. Virtually all the trades I do, at least in the morning, come off of a list that I discuss with the room first thing in the morning. I literally like 95% probably come from the original list that I give to the room that's based on daily charts, hourly charts, and the morning gap list. Occasionally we find something else, and later in the afternoon it's a little more likely because as that list runs dry, we start looking at intraday patterns. Qcom was not on my list because of that pattern at the beginning of the day down here or anywhere along the way, but it showed up later that day at lunch as I was looking for something to short, and Qcom had run into this prior high, and I really liked the setup here. It was an immediate favorite when I saw it. The daily chart, you can see over here, had no problem confirming this type of play. The daily chart had a downtrending pattern below the 20 and below prior resistance levels, so you know that that is likely to get selling on any rally that begins in the early day. Here's a 5-minute chart, and you can see that that rally going up, which ran right into that major resistance area right there, then was retested here, and I found an entry right inside of that combination of bars there. Entry 54.77, stop 55.11, and the play begins. We get a drop. What I typically do is get a decent target on the first drop to try and get safe, as I call it, and then get piggy with the back target. And this one, the target was go to end of the day, and this is a perfect call on this one. The back target was taken just a minute or two before close, right down there at 53.58. So overall, a nice play on Qcom. Play lasted a couple hours on average, a little quicker for the first target, a little longer for the second target. This play, like all others, done in the DTS trading room, where we look for a few great trades every single day. You can come join us and take a trial. We hit the morning hard, and then in the afternoon, we're either just checking in to manage some trades or occasionally looking for a new play on certain days. You can find out by taking a trial at the DTS website. This is Paul Lang for DTS. Until next time, good trading, everybody.